Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a brand new LinkedIn account. It only takes a few minutes, so let's go through it together. Start by opening the LinkedIn app on your phone. On the welcome screen, you'll see a few sign-in options. You can continue with Google, with Apple, or sign up using an email address or phone number. I'll use Sign In with Google for this walkthrough. When the Google window pops up, pick the account you want to connect and tap on it. Then tap Agree and Share to give LinkedIn permission to link your Google account. You might see a quick security check or a small puzzle. If that shows up, just solve it to move on. Next, LinkedIn asks for some basic professional details. Type in your most recent job title and the company you work for or worked for last. Then tap Next. If you're not ready to add more info yet, tap Skip for now, and then Finish to complete the setup. And that's it. Your new LinkedIn profile's ready. From here, you can upload a profile picture, write a short headline, and start connecting with colleagues or potential employers. If this helped you out, tap like and consider subscribing for more easy tech guides.